day 6, second last day of vacation. Today we will be doing Peggy's Cove and Bar Kismet. And then those are the only actual planned things for today. But Peggy's Cove is just a little bit farther it's just a bit out of Halifax, but then we will be driving back into Halifax and then staying at a hotel for the last day. Got back to the hotel and changed for our dinner at Bar Kismet. Bar Kismet is one of the top ranked restaurants in Canada. It's ranked 9th, and we got to eat there.
We're going to eat there.
And we're going to eat there. Yeah, and we're going to eat there. We are now at Bar Kismet. We ordered 6.
We're gonna order 6.
Oh, we're gonna order 6 to 7 dishes. Mom and Dad are getting the oysters, raw scallop, the ahi tuna, the cod, and then we're getting the spaghetti and the fasolina. And those are the only dishes that we're getting.
All right, so that was Bar Kismet. Really good. I can see why it's the 9th top in Canada. Usually you think it's because they pay for advertising. That's how you get into the listings. But this one actually is really legit. I think everything was good. I'd give it like a 7 out of 5.
7 out of 5, huh?
Yeah, that's how you win awards.
Okay.
You?
Oh yeah, because 2 Michelin stars. Yeah.
No, it was really good. Definitely go back again. That was the same amount of food as Mercado's, and the price was about the same as Mercado's.
So the price was about the same, but the quality was good. The pasta was really good. It was all handcrafted, so you can really taste the difference. Cooked to perfection, not too overcooked. But yeah, I think it's the way that they made the pasta that was really good. It's got a little bit of bounce to it. The sauce was good. Again, Eastern food is just a little bit more heavy on the buttery side.
Japan is even worse.
But yeah, Kyra.
Yes. So my rating out of 5 5 out of 5. It was really good. Like Mom said, it is kind of like the pasta was kind of bouncy. I like the spaghetti over the fazzoletti because I found that the fazzoletti was kind of bitter. And like I didn't even eat the vegetables, which Mom and Dad said were bitter. I just ate the pasta, and it tasted bitter. So I prefer the spaghetti over that. The spaghettini over it, but it was really good. The cod, nice, well cooked. Not overcooked, not undercooked. It was amazing. It was soft and just fell apart kind of. It was really good. And then I also ate some stuff. I ate some stuff that I didn't want to, but just did for the sake of it. And just because I had to, and because it's good for me. But that's what you learn as a kid. Just eat it. Just eat it. Don't do it because you want to, but because it's good for you.
All right, with that TED Talk, bye. Dude, what are you laughing at?
Mom, you're not even filming me.
I'm not.
No, you're filming the seat.
You should have told me. That sucked.
That side isn't better, except it kind of is. My face hurts.
How are different ways that people die?
Huh?
Are you in the camera now?
Yes.
So how are different ways that people die?
By falling out of bed.
And
brushing your teeth.
how do you die brushing your teeth?
She mistaked the tube of rat poison for toothpaste.
But why?
Huh?
How come someone would mistake rat poison with toothpaste?
I don't know.
Where would it be?
In the bathroom?
Why would they do that?
Maybe because there's rats in the bathroom?
Yeah, that's dumb. Are those all Darwin awards?
I'm pretty, no, I don't think so. Yeah, no.
That's crazy.
Are you gonna stop filming me? or are you just gonna like film me for this whole car ride?
I actually can't press the button. It's not letting me press.
Day 7, actual second to last day this time. Cause we technically have an 8-day trip. Cause tomorrow we're still doing stuff and flying out at night. Well, at 6 Halifax time. But right now we are heading to Lunenburg, which is a 1-hour drive, and then we're gonna come back, and then I think walk waterfront. We just finished our walking tour and now we're eating at Savvy Sailors. We learned about some historical sites, like some church, like St. John Church, the mayor's old house, and what was the other historical site? I forgot. But now we're eating at Savvy Sailors. We got some chowder. I got a pan-fried haddock. Dad got a haddock burrito. I got pan-fried haddock. Mom also got pan-fried haddock. And Dad got a haddock burrito. Mom, you just got the chowder.
Wait, no, I won't. Oh, no, I won't, Mom.
Oh, shoot now.
Ah!
I drove with Mom.
I know.
No, I was driving.
They didn't say they were full strength. Bobby, he was like,
You to like give me your instant feedback on PB&J.
PB&J. I got a PB&J. That's my feedback. I got a PB&J.
Try it. Tell me how good it is.
It tastes like a PB&J. What do you want me to say? It's just a PB&J.
Good?
Yeah.
Out of 5 stars.
Fine. It's just a PB&J. Lunenburg update. We are walking back to the port to go on our boat, our sailing tour for 2 hours. Get to see the ocean, sit down, relax, look at some harbors. Nothing that exciting, but we still get to do it.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew up her bow, dipped down, or below my bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack, then tight once more. All boats were lost, there were only 4, but still that whale did go.
We finished our day in Lunenburg. We're back at the Lunenburg Academy, getting ready to drive back to Halifax and rest for a bit. We finished our boat tour. That was fun. The Savvy Sailors was pretty good, I'd say. I'd say like 4.8, pretty good. But yeah, overall the time in Lunenburg was pretty great. Day 8, final day of vacation. We're heading out to the waterfront just to like walk around until like 12 for our reservation at the Bicycle Thief to go eat lunch, and then we'll be hanging around, walking mostly, and until 6 Halifax time, and then we'll be on the plane getting ready to go home, and we'll land at home at around 9 p.m. .
We never got a chance to really walk the waterfront, so we decided to spend some time at the Maritime Museum of the Atlantic. Initially, we thought we'll finish the whole museum in an hour or so, but we ended up staying here for almost 3 hours. I personally got an education on the different types of boats and ships. Their exhibits were great as well. A couple of the memorable ones were the exhibit recounting the 1917 explosion of Halifax, where almost 2,900 tons of explosives caught fire and the destruction reached as far as 80 kilometers. We finished off with seeing the largest collection of wooden Titanic artifacts because Halifax was the closest major port with telegraph connections and ships ready for recovery. I'm glad we got to see it before flying home. Okay, the real last stop was the Fog Company. We saw this place the first night here, but it was closed, so we had to make sure we checked it out before flying home. It's a dessert place that serves ice cream, sorbet, and cookies, but they throw all of it on this cotton candy fog that you can eat. As you can see, the fam had a fun time eating it.
All right, so we're at the Halifax airport now. Flight is gonna board in about 75 minutes. Halifax airport is fairly small. We're just chilling in the open area. Are you ready to go home?
Kind of.
Why?
Because I want to see the hail damage.
You want to see the hail damage?
And I want to play with my friends again.
The hail damage is the last thing I want to see because I know when he sees it, he's gonna be very angry.
He already is angry about the hail damage.
Who said I'm angry? Insurance is taking care of it.
He's good, being taken care of.
Henry's got the maps, he's the master guy. He trolls the nickname, but he's our pride. Kira's the spark, brings the energy. Linda's the calm till she needs caffeine. From mountain peaks to city lights, every moment feels just right. Big sins, leading,